When we bring together educators concerned about improving their performance, sharing their best practices, and learning about new instructional tools, magic happens.
When you talk about international business, you're talking about a connection. We are all connected.
I'm seeing new seminars with new content and new instruction and new insights and new innovations and new ways to inspire and encourage our students.
New tools such as artificial intelligence, ChatGPT, and other tools are emerging. So we bring the experts and ask them to educate us so that we are better prepared in the classroom.
Students aren't going to be replaced by AI, they will be replaced by someone who knows how to use AI. I'm hoping that we remember, like a calculator, AI is a tool to be used when and if appropriate.
Probably one of the most valuable aspects is that I'm making new friends, meeting new academic colleagues, and extending my own network.
We look forward to having you among us next year, and thank you.